She plays a tough detective on the show Law & Order SVU. Today, actress Mariska Hargitay took a stand for real-life rape victims on Capitol Hill. KPIX5's Melissa Caen reports on her emotional appeal to end the massive backlog of untested rape kits. Melissa?
Yeah, Veronica, today in Washington, D.C., Hargitay testified in front of the Special Bipartisan Task Force on Treating Sexual Assault. She and others asked for federal help to make sure rape kits get tested. And you may be surprised that California is not leading the way on this issue.
These are not kits sitting on a shelf. These are people's lives sitting on a shelf.
Actress Mariska Hargitay is an advocate for victims of sexual assault, and today she told members of Congress that we don't even have basic data about rape kits.
To start with auditing, to simply audit and know exactly how many kits we have. If we can track our children's Christmas presents, why can't we track a rape kit? It's just like a disgrace, and what we're saying is not important.
In California, there's no requirement that rape kits be tested or tracked. Alameda County District Attorney Nancy O'Malley. How many untested rape kits are there in California?
Well, we don't know.
What many people in California may not know is that local law enforcement officers can simply choose not to test a rape kit. And one common reason to ignore the DNA is if a victim knows the attacker.
But if you knew the identity of the assailant, the prosecutors, the police, the juries, nobody would need to have the kit tested, it was thought, because you have to prove ID. So if it was a date rape and the victim knew who the rapist was, that part of the case is kind of solved. The issue was just consent.
But Richard Bell, who's the Special Investigations Chief of Cuyahoga County in Ohio, said that testing all rape kits, even ones where the victim knows the attacker, actually leads to solving other crimes.
But the testing has revealed that you solve these stranger rape cases because the stranger rapists, who are dangerous offenders, sure enough, they are mean people to the people they know.
Bay Area Congresswoman Jackie Speer is a co-chair of the committee that met today.
We would never, ever let the DNA in a murder case sit on a shelf. And yet, it is commonplace to let the DNA of sexual assault victims sit on the shelf.
Now, in San Francisco, all rape kits are tested and tracked, but it might not be long before the rest of the nation is required to do the same.
Is an injustice committed against women because they are women. And we must refuse to let this injustice stand.
Now, in California, a bill that would require data collection on rape kits has been working its way through the legislature. It is opposed by the California Sheriff's Association. We're following the bill, AB 41, and we'll bring you updates as they happen. Melissa Caen, KPIX 5.